Hey, today we are going to talk about how we create tables in Postgres. So let's connect to our database first, which already exists, load up, and in order to create tables in Postgres, we use the create table command followed by the name of the table. So for example, let's say we want to create a students table, right? So as you might know, tables are where you store data in Postgres. So they are like spreadsheet, right? They have columns and rows, okay? So in here, what you're gonna do, we are going to open the parentheses, and this is where you provide the name of the columns of your table, right? So let's say, for example, each student has a unique ID. So we are going to define the ID column, and we must define also the data type of each column in our table, right? For example, we're gonna say the ID is of type UUID, and it has a default value, right? And this is going to be we are going to use this function, which is a Postgres function, but we are not going to worry about this for now. We are going to explain what that is in another video. So this is the ID in our table and the ID column, and then we have a name column, and the type is of type text, and it should not be null, it should be provided. We are going to talk about this later as well. And let's say the student has also we want the table to contain an age column, right? And this is of type integer. It's not null as well. So once you are done, you can close the parentheses and then put semicolon, which is to say, hey Postgres, I'm done with this statement, right? So, and let's say enter, and as we can see, the table has been created. So in order to see the table, we can list this. We can use this command to list the tables in our database. And as you can see, we have the student table, and it is part of the schema, public schema, and its owner is Harj. So we have successfully created our first table.